Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright, so this Kevin or Uma always take, if me either take Kevin or I call her in drive. Kevin or Uma know I'm one taxi driver. I'm one pa. Sorry, good. I put my real. I am really exhausted. Out this clip, I had it playing straight up, but Kevin did it on the phone. I'm gonna remember him that, but I'm camera for editor. So no, Jolly don't want to sit back. So if I tell look boy, fee sit back, please and thanks. Today I was actually going into town to collect a package. But I'll let you guys know how that goes. When we get there. So yeah. So heading into Kingston now. I'm wearing my pomade lashes. Jonathan have my iPad. I'm now making him download things on my iPad for watch from Netflix because we might not have Wi-Fi over there. I'm gonna want them board them over there. When I fix Jolly the iPad, then it got alright. Cause for now Jolly use my phone. I don't know why I said that. I don't know. I said some things in voiceovers that would give people the wrong impression of me, and it's just really annoying. But I don't like to edit it out because I'm like, shit, I know myself. It's more them assuming.
If you get a long time, I'm coming out of my No, those are sticks in them. Those aren't sharks. And waves. You see the waves? She says 6 stitches. Yeah. What they're doing is nothing as long as the blood not spurring. So the blood can't run, but don't make it spur. That you say? Not a blood cleanse. Here are your makeup. I love it. Yeah. I love it. More like this, but I don't know. But I'm call your face, that's why. Can your eye them sexy? Me don't want to do something for your eye top. I want to do some more contour, but you know you're going to do sweaty. But I want overdo it. But girl, I love this. I'm completely in love. Oh my gosh! And it's shave them now. It's nice. I like put down a shave though. Yeah. This have more of an arch. I want to go straight across. Yeah. Yeah. So this is your no filter, no nothing. It's so good. It's good. I love it. Alright, you guys, I'm done. No. Very good.
2 days later.
There's something about Jonathan Henry that gets me every time. So him father of them and he's been playing the Call of Duty, and he's been ranking up so quickly, like he's a well, some guys can them a chop small. We're gonna squash. I don't.
I hope she answer.
Listen, I'm legit.
I wear a purple dress, so anything where you go with that. No, come and see, I really see she do nobody fierce.
Yeah.
So I just hope so she do mine.
Just the hexagon?
Yes.
Oh, thanks. Just an odd shape, that's why I chose it. Bro, I'm like, alright then. See, I ain't tripping. I'm not tripping. I really wanted to do powder on her brows anyway. Whatever. Pretty. You're leaving me speechless, Janelle. I swear, you're so pretty. This is not capturing anything.
These are comb brushes?
Yeah.
These are so
It sounds right, and it keeps some without it just looks moisturized.
I've been working on it.
Yeah. It not look dry or nothing. I'll push it into your skin, and then I put on the primer. Before that, I'm gonna set the primer with the powder. This is like full proof, and I use a fluffy brush to kind of set the makeup, and now a stiffer brush, a dense brush, to kind of lock it in. That's why I push it in there. But you see, I trim my shit, and then it's wedding, so I have to factor in the time.
Because it's 4 to 10.
See, and it's a night thing,
Yeah.
so the makeup it has to. You know, all of us have that eye. The watering eye. Rotted 20 something minutes. Too much think.
Ooh! Oh my god!
You like it?
Yes.
Oh, you should go look in the mirror to see if you like it in the mirror. I mean, I love it, but
Oh my god.
You like it? Oh my gosh, thank you.
And let me show you how you just match the dress.
You are kidding me. She said I matched the dress perfectly. What? Oh my god, it's true. The burgundy and on the eyes. Oh my gosh, it's true. And even the lips, the pink with the lips.
Yeah.
Baby, that's so true. It's all matchy for true. I'm proud of myself. I'm happy. Oh, princess, I'm really glad you like it.
It's really amazing.
It's so nice. Oh, wait, let me get a next shot. So this is like your skin,
Yes.
real skin.
Yeah.
I love it.
All the work is paid off.
Oh. Your skin is everything, babe. It really is. So you're going to get dressed now. I don't want to keep you, huh? Must. Wait, go down. Keep in front of you. Pour me brushes for true.
Yeah.
Pour me. Oh, that was the Bible collection with the scriptures on it. Oh my goodness. Getting elegant, I think it was.
That's how.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh, you guys are so cool.
Nice though.
Wagwan. Why is it Simon? Tony and Simon.
Nice. That's not right.
I don't know why Kevin is so savage. I don't know what's wrong with him.
Hey. See my one thing I see people me deal with know me telling if you know me, you know. Yo.
So, you don't know me, and I just end a story.
I fuck with them, I mean that fuck.
My blue screws are come down power sa
I'm a person see you.
One day later.
Jolly goes to school again. Come here, sweat. Ah, boy. Waiting on his teacher. What's wrong? You don't want to stay at school? But Jolly, I am going to come back for you, okay? I will, I have to. I'm not going to leave you here all day. I promise I'll come back for you. Okay? If I finish early, I'm going to come back for you early, okay, my love? Alright, I'm going to try and come back for you by 1 o'clock or so, okay?
Daddy comes here at 2 o'clock.
Oh, yeah, I know that it comes for you at 2. But I'm going to try to see if I can come for you a little bit early. If I can't, I'm going to have to wait until 2, okay? Teacher is here, Papa. Thank God. So I'm going to leave you now and I'm going to come back later, okay? May I have a kiss? Good morning. Good morning. I love you. And I'm going to see you soon, okay? I'm going to see you soon. Ja. I'm going to see you soon, okay? I'm going to come back for you. You don't have to be so sad, Papa. Look at how sad your face look. Don't be so sad. Stop forcing yourself to cry. I will come back for you.